Hey guys, my name is Tesco. So someone asked me if my strategy also works on synthetic indexes, right? So the answer is yes. And today I want to show you how. So today I will be analyzing step index, guys, to show you that just the same way I analyze, just the same way I analyze currency pairs the same way that I also analyze synthetic indexes. So we'll be analyzing step index. Let's check step index. And I'll also explain it in details. So guys, let's be patient. So this is step index, right? So before we even start, before we even go further, I need to like explain something here. So using that, what other tool I'll be using this yeah, those two. Okay, cool. Now we said the market moves in phases. We have three phases. We have an impassive phase and a corrective phase. So an impassive phase is when the market is strong moving in one direction. Then a corrective phase is when the market is consolidating, all right? Like this is what we call the corrective phase. So we have the impassive phase and corrective phase, maybe before another impasse. So the market can either correct, like if it is in an uptrend, the market can correct the upside before reverse. So the market is moving to the downside, but then correct to the straight to the downside. That shows us like the momentum is weakening and the market is about to reverse. But we also have some other continuation structures like impasse correction, a very far continuation to downside. If the market is moving to the upside, correct sideways, then we also anticipate what continuation to the upside. So also those are the patterns that I do trade most of the time because they are very repeatable and very recognizable. Now let's start analyzing. As always, we always start from a bigger time frame. So currencies I always start from weekly, but because there's no weekly time frame on trading view implementation or on synthetic pairs, I start from a time frame. So we cater for the program, right? So this is our background. So right now the market is trading within these two, within, let me also cater for my highest high and my lowest low. So yeah, that's my program. Right now the market is trading within this channel, buying at support, selling at resistance, buying at support, selling at resistance. Right now we have hit the resistance. Now the question is, are we going to sell or are we going to buy? Are we going to sell or are we going to expect maybe some breakout the ups and buy? So for you to be able to predict this, because yes, we buy support and sell at resistance, but also we need something to like, we need a confirmation. So before you check the current market, like this is now the current market, before you check the current market, it's better you check the previous move to like confirm how the market was moving. Was the market moving was the market in an impassive phase or a corrective phase? You see this was a very strong impasse move. So what we are expecting next is, because if you check, this is impasse correction, then impasse correction, then again the market impasse, later hit the lowest low, impasse to the upside. I told you guys, after an impasse, we always expect a correction, maybe before continuation. But now, if you check, the market hit this highest high impossibly because this was a very, very strong move. So what are we expecting? Maybe if the market maybe impasse to the upside, but towards as the market approached this level, starting to correct, to like consolidate, forming maybe a rising wedge or this reversal pattern, we could have anticipated a sell, but now the market just hit that resistance impulsively. So what are we expecting, guys? I'll show you. Right now, we are maybe expecting a correction. So a correction can happen here, maybe to form a continuation, to break out the structure and continue to the upside, maybe for a reversal. So let's go to 4-hour time frame. Let's check 4-hour time frame. Okay, cool. So on 4-hour time frame, you can see the market is kind of dropping, but still this was a very strong impulse move. So if maybe the market, let me use this, maybe if the market hit this resistance, gave us a double top, we could have anticipated that drop. You understand? But now the market just reversed from the market from the lower low. If the market doesn't continue moving to the upside, it decides maybe to consolidate from there, we will anticipate a breakout to the upside because this take this high, then above. Check at this high, then the market, instead of the market forming a double top, a dropping, the market formed a lower high. So you can see this high, then the market has formed a what? A lower high. And also again, the market has again formed this low, but with only one touch. Like the market has formed this low with only one touch. We have one touch, two touch. But remember, we said a bullish flag or a correction should at least have two touches for it to be valid. So we will be waiting for the market to come give us at least the second touch. So we have the first touch, second touch of the year, then we buy. So after we buy, we can target this TP1, maybe TP2, so that the market can complete formation of a double top before dropping, right? Or it can also maybe break impulsively, give us another correction and continue moving to the upside. So those are the two possibilities. But now, how about our sell scenario? Because we need to cater for all the possibilities. Now, the other possibility is the market can also, I can also decide to like sell from there because we do not control the market. The market moves out once, guys. So for our sell scenario, we can expect maybe a strong drop to the downside, impulsive drop to the downside, then correction, then before our continuation. So guys, that is it. Keep following this trend. This is how I always trend. Guys, follow it closely. You'd give me the results. I'll also do a video to show the results. Otherwise, that is it for today. Of a great time. I hope the video was educational. You learned something. Make sure you learned something out of this video. Good day.